Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Brex cards with e-commerce subscriptions. Easy tutorial step. To authenticate Brex cards with e-commerce subscriptions, start by logging into your Brex dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section in the main menu. Select the Brex card you wish to authenticate. Open the e-commerce platform where you have the subscription, like Shopify or WooCommerce. Go to the payment settings section of the platform. Look for the option to add a new payment method. Choose credit card as your payment option. Enter the Brex card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If available, confirm the billing address linked to the Brex card. After filling in the required fields, save the changes. Look for an option to verify or authenticate the card on the e-commerce site. Some platforms may require a small transaction to confirm the card. Check your Brex account for any pending verification transactions. If a transaction appears, classify it as a verification charge. Once verified, return to your e-commerce platform to finalize the setup. You should see a confirmation that the Brex card is now authenticated. Now, your Brex card is ready to be used for seamless e-commerce transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.